What's up, family and friends? Oh my God, it's been way too long since I have spoken to, seen, post anything on here, and I am so sorry for that. And I've just been busy doing life and growing and elevating in every way imaginable, and I've just been loving everything that I got going on right now. So I decided, you know what, I've had these clip-ins for quite some time. Let me just go ahead and dust them off and see what they're working with. So these are some clip-ins that I bought. These are the Eayon clip-ins, seamless clip-ins, length 16. I bought a total of 2 packs. So I'm going to be putting those in today. It has been so much going on in my life, and I just finally had a day to like wind down. So I was like, okay, let me just play around today. So I will get into all that I have going on in another video, but in this video, I'm just going to be putting in these clip-ins and giving you guys like a little update on what I've been, getting into and what I got going on. So sit back and we'll just chit chat. All right. Talk to y'all real quick. Y'all don't even understand how much has changed since I last been on here. I know I probably was studying for my state board. I was still in Fort Lauderdale. Now I'm in Orlando. I'm on a travel job right now. And I'm not with my kids and my husband, and that is the saddest part about this. I'm planning to move to Orlando. Well, we're all planning to move to Orlando. So thought it would be a good idea to come work down here first, just to get a gist of the area, kind of see, what's what, if we like it, schools, activities for the kids, neighborhood, prices, all that. Moving forward and getting our new dream home, so I will try my best. I won't make no promises because your girl be getting busy, but I will try my best to record that whole process. Not only just for y'all, just because I want my own memories of looking for my dream home. Because before, when we were looking for our home, we were young. We were 25, 26. So we had to get what we could afford. But now, we can get what we want. Okay. The thing is, my hair is not jet black. Like, my natural hair color is like, as you can see, like a brown color. My edge control. This is by Embellish. This is a girl that I get my hair braided by. Well, for a lot of that. Okay, so give me for my janky shirt. This is, I don't know, put my hair back in my ear like that, but so this is how it's looking. This is what it's giving. It's okay. It's alright. Let me show y'all the back. This is where it comes up to me, and I'm tall. I'm 5'7.5". Give me my half. It's like mid back on me. That's how I look in the back. Turn this way. I should give y'all a quick little apartment tour. But this is how it looks in the back. That's how the hair flows. It has some body. Get me body, you want my body, won't you get me body? Hey, get me body, I wanna be myself tonight, can you get me body? Alright, so this is what it is. It's okay, I think it blends well. I really can't feel anything. It's full. I like that, because my hair is a little on the fuller side. Put it in a little ponytail up. My hair is layered, so it may look like it's layered, but it's cute. It will do. It will do. It will do. It's very easy and simple to put in. Let me turn this off. I don't know if this is gonna be loud. It's very easy and simple to put in, so that's a good thing. You just want like a quick little style to I definitely gotta dry yes, so I like it. I think it would blend better, obviously, if I colored my hair black. So yeah, that's it. So, oh, another thing I got, because now I just feel like I got the Rihanna lipstick. I got Breadwinner. And I got the MVP. So let's try those. Casing is so pretty. Look at this. That's how it looks. I don't remember how much I paid for it, honestly. I think it was like probably 20 something or 30 something, but it's matted, but it's like, it goes on so pretty. Girl, this is so cute. This is so cute. It's pretty. Look, I like that it's matte, but it has like so much moisture to it. Like, the light is not so great in the bathroom. Let me come out here for a little bit. Let me get my other one. It's matte, but it's like, it has so much moisture to it. So much texture. It's not dry at all. Like, it don't even feel like I have a matte lipstick on. So that's what it's giving right now. I love it. It's so cute. Sorry if y'all hear the cars in the background. Isn't it cute, y'all? Ooh. All right. We're gonna try another one. It grow, I don't know why we don't. Something about your hands on my body feels better than any man I ever met. All right. This is for the true red girl. This is for the true girls that love some red lipstick. I used to, but I'm not really a. But if Rihanna did it, it's cute. All right. That's too much. It's a hot one here. Ooh. Ooh. You know what I like? That it gets like in here. You know how sometimes you put on lipstick? I don't know if it's just me, like, but my, like, in this piece of my lip never really could stick the lipstick. I gotta try to get a lipstick. I hate when people missing lipstick down in the bottom. It look crazy. I love the way it feels. Not only does it look good, it just feels good. That is hard to do. Looking good and feeling good. Because you could look good. If you don't feel good, then you really don't look good. Okay, I like it. I want my husband to come so we could go on a date. Let me take y'all back in the light. I don't know if y'all could see. I can't really see. My screen got a privacy screen on it, so I don't even know if this is coming out good. Ooh, your girl is cute or whatever. So I'm about to wrap this video up, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little apartment tour. Oh, let me pick up my stuff I was looking for. But yeah, I'll give you a quick little apartment tour on my next video. So I have a message for today. Today's message is gonna be, I have my little book. This is a cute little book I bought. I think I bought it from Walmart or no, I think I bought this from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx? I think it was TJ Maxx or Walmart, one or the other. So, anytime I get a book, I like to write like a little message to myself. So every time I open a book, I could just remind myself where I was when I started in that book. Note to self: it's never too late to start, repeat, finish, or pick up right where you left off. You always want so much. Your thoughts are seen so vividly. You manifest things into existence. You are who you say you are. The outside world does not affect your growth. I pray to the higher power to keep my vision clear, to remove all distractions. I walk by faith. Anything I believe is possible. My thoughts are stronger than my actions. Manifest, mindset, lifestyle. So, one part of this I know people probably won't understand, which I don't do things for people understanding, but just if you needed a little clarification, when I say that my thoughts, sorry, let me wipe this off because I feel like I'm doing too much because I ain't going nowhere. Sorry, I had to wipe my lipstick off. I felt silly. Back to my lip gloss. Okay, so what I was saying was that in my book, my little message that I wrote to myself, something I do very often, I said that my thoughts are stronger than my actions. And what I mean by that is, right, obviously your actions are very powerful as well, but my thoughts are stronger than my actions, meaning you have to do one first, right? Your thought. Before you make an action, you have a thought about making that action. And to me, your mind is the most powerful tool that you have that is taken for granted. Like, whatever you think you are is what you are. Whatever you manifest in your life is what will be. If you have a thought and you always think a negative, you will always have negative in your life. If you have a thought and you always think a positive, you will always have positive in your life. And for me, I feel like I've been on both sides where I think positive and got positive results. I think negative and I got exactly what I was thinking about. So if you use your mind in a manner where, I could change my mind, I could change my thought, I could change the way I think and the way I view things. But once I make that thought turn into an action, I can't take action back. So your actual thoughts are way more powerful to me than your actions, because you have the possibility and you have the power to change your thoughts, but your actions are a little harder, if not impossible, to change. Once you have done something, you can't undo it. You feel me? You could change the way you think, change the way you view things, change your perspective, all of that, but your actions are pretty much impossible to change. So that's what I mean when I say by your thoughts are more powerful than your actions. So with that being said, I'm going to end this video, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll do my best to get back on track and my best to get back on here and get more personal with you guys. I have a lot of things that I'm working on that I'm so excited, and I'm just going to keep writing about it, keep praying about it, keep manifesting and giving it up to God. Take care of me and my family. So on that note, peace, love, happiness. Bye.